Hello friends, welcome to Skill for Writing. Today we can check how to use user-defined table type in stock procedure. So we have two tables, country and customer. Okay, so country ID is the foreign key relationship between these two tables. So we want to write a query. We want to pass this country as a table type. Okay, so we will pass only India. Then we need to get the only the country ID India 1, that data we want to display. If we pass the country ID, country India and UK, then we want to get display and the customer details from India and UK. Okay, so first we want to create a UDT, user defined table type for that. Okay, first we can create that. Okay, now table type created, it contains ID and name. Okay, first we can check how to pass this data. So here we can create one procedure, create a procedure dot customer by country. Okay, and we are declaring one variable country list. Here we are using this data table, data, country data. Okay, and for user defined data type need to pass only read only. Okay. We need to specify this read only here. Okay, otherwise it will not permit. And next we can just display the select star from this country list. Okay, first we can create this procedure. Okay, the procedure created. First we declare this table variable, declare at a table as country data. Country data is the table UDT type. Okay, and we are inserting this data India and UK. Okay, and just pass this table variable to this procedure. Okay, yes, we can just execute this. Now we are getting the data, whatever we are passed, this table variable ID name. Okay, so this way we can pass the UDT data to the stock procedure. Okay, this case mainly used for that in report purpose. We don't want to all data, we want to pass some customers data. This will be helpful. Okay, and okay, next we can check. We want to alter that procedure to display only the past UDT country details and customer details. So here same thing, we want to alter that procedure. We want to get that customers whatever we have passed that data. Okay, so we alter that procedure. Here we can use select star from customer where country ID in country list we are using the ID as ID. Okay, country ID as ID. Okay, here we can check this country data we are using ID. Okay, so we are using subquery here. Just alter this procedure. Okay, now we just execute this select star from customer. Then we are getting all 5 rows, right? We are passing here country ID 1 and 2. Okay, we are not passing 3. Okay, so we will execute this query. Now we will get 4 records from the customer. Just execute this. Now we are getting the 4 records. Okay, okay, the important thing is here we want to pass this read only. Okay, we are not passing this read only, then it will not permit. We can check that. You can see country list must be declared as read only option. Okay, okay, thank you.